Hi, lovely students. How are you? Welcome back, my dear students, grade 7. I love you and I missed you. Today, the first lesson after this long holiday. I hope that everything will be clear. So, guys, before we stopped, we were in chapter 5, lesson 1, and we have to ask, what do we need to make an angle? Okay, this is a good question. What do we need to make an angle? To make any angle or to draw any angle, we need two rays. What is about the ray? What is that ray, mister? Here it is. As you see here, we have two rays, the red one and the blue one. Blue one is ray number 1 and the red one is ray 2. When you will match these two, as you see here in this picture, as you see the two rays, we put them together. So look what we have. We have a vertex, as you see this point, and we have ray now, number 1 and ray number 2. And where is the angle? Yes, clever students. The angle is that one is between these two rays. If you go to another one, again, here we have the same. We have the vertex. The vertex is the one that it matches the two rays, ray number 1 and ray number 2. And between them we have an angle. And as you see here, is so clever. Here we go to, so we are saying when we have two rays, as you say, ray number 1, ray number 2, he said, so when we have two rays, we will have an angle. After we draw an angle, maybe we will ask, mister, how we can measure this angle? Yes, it's a good question. After we draw it, we want to measure this angle, and we will measure this angle by a protractor. It is written by a red color. Here, let me make some explanation about, all of you, you know, a protractor is like this, and you have it in your, in your case. This protractor contains of the baseline, as you see, the one is like that. We call it the baseline. In the middle, we have something we call it origin. And as you see, we have two scales. This one, the one is out, we call it outer scale, as you see. And the one inside, we call it inner. And as you see, inside we have the degrees. Yes. So the angle is in a degree. So we have from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm reading the outer scale up to, will have the 90 degrees. It will be the right angle, and we will continue 100 up to 180. Or we can do it on the opposite. Yes, excellent. You can take the what? Take the inner scale. The inner scale, again, you will start with 0, then 10, 20, 30. As you see, we will go again to 90. Then we'll continue to 180. So that means, mister, we can draw or we can measure an angle by using any of these two scales. Yes, you are right. Either you will use the outer scale or you will use the inner scale. Here is the description. As you see, guys, the outer scale is the clockwise. Clockwise, it means on this case, we will describe and we will explain what is the meaning of this arc. Clockwise, it means you are moving with the curves of the watch, and you can start from 0 to 180. This is the outer. Again, I will show to you the outer. Yes, 0 up to 180. Excellent. And the inner scale is the opposite. As you see, we call it anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, when you are moving on the opposite of the curves of the watch. So you are moving from 180 to 0 degree. So we go to the inner scale. Yes, excellent. So as you see, you will start from 0. Here it is. And you will go to 10, 20. And you will make this arc up to 180. Excellent. More explanation about the outer and the inner. The outer, what it means, the clockwise, it means from left to right. Excellent, guys. This is the outer. Yes, yes. It's from left to right. And anti-clockwise, we say the opposite of the curves of the watch. Yes, it means from right to left. And again, here is the inner. Excellent, as you